Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how to do a family class sponsoring application to ask for permanent residency for a member of your family, whether that is your spouse, your parents, or your children. This is what the portal looks like. So you have the application forms to fill online here, and then you have the additional PDF forms. And once you do that, you're going to need to upload your supporting documents. So you can see, for example, the travel document, the passport, the photos, birth certificate, etc. The fee payments where you upload the receipt, sign your declaration, and once you do all this, you can submit your application. So the way we get to here, I'm gonna start over and show you how to do it. You're gonna find this link in the description, and basically you need to create an account. So you do that by clicking here on create an account. You enter your email, your password, you confirm your password, you click on I have read and accepted the terms and conditions. You create the account, they're going to send you an email with a confirmation code. You click on that link and you validate your account. Once you do that, you're going to click sign in here with your email and password, and you're going to land in a portal like that where you see I have already started an application. So to create a new application, you click on this button and then you select permanent residence, including refugee settlement. So this is where you click, and then under program, you select family and spouse or common law partner or conjugal partner, depending on the category of people you want to sponsor. So for most cases, it's going to be spouse, where a permanent resident or Canadian citizen is trying to sponsor their spouse to come live with them in Canada. And then you have to select the subcategory. So either your spouse is already with you in Canada under temporary status, could be like open work permit or student or just visitor. And in this case, you're going to select in Canada class. Or if they're outside of Canada, you need to select family class outside Canada. Because outside Canada is the most common case for family class applicant, this is what we're going to select for our example. And here you just click sponsoring. You give your application a name and you click continue. So then you're going to come to this page. You have to select your preferred language, the family name, the date of birth. And this, by the way, is for the person applying for a visa. It's not for the sponsor to do. It's for the principal applicant, meaning the person who is requesting the permanent resident visa. Then you enter your mailing address, country, etc. And if you have dependents, that those are either children or parents, you could add them here under dependent. You click on the button, and if the dependent is going to be accompanying you, you click yes. You choose the relationship to the principal applicant. You enter their name, their date of birth, and you save their details to continue. Once you do that and you fill all this information, you're going to land on this portal. So here you can see before starting your application, I encourage you to check the eligibility criteria, because if you're not eligible, there is no point in doing all of this. Once you do this, it's better to start with these forms that are already here, because you could edit them on the portal. So my methodology, which I've been using for years and that always worked, is to start with the forms. Once you finish all the forms, so we have like these 4 forms to fill up here, then to move to the second PDF forms, you can download them here. You click, you're gonna see this page, you can download and open it. I encourage you to do that so you could fill it on your computer. And once you do that, you save and you upload the document here. Another thing, when you finish all these documents, then you're gonna move to the supporting documents, where you do the same thing. You upload, you make sure that they are matching and they are named as it is written here. And once you upload all your supporting documents, you have the additional supporting document where you have a list of documents where you could choose from. So this is very specific to each application. For example, if you have attached your proof of valid temporary status, if you're in Canada, you're going to click here, proof of valid temporary resident status, and you will need to upload a picture of that status, whether that's a student or work permit or visitor visa. Once you finish everything, you need to upload the receipt. So you can click here, and that's going to open the link to pay your fees on the IRCC website. We're going to go back to that at the end. And once you upload all your document, you sign the declaration and you submit your application. So this is how you get to this portal. And now we're going to start with the first form, which is the generic application form for Canada for the principal applicant, meaning the person asking for a visa. Let's go.